What is going on, my friends, and welcome back to another video here on the channel. Well, Bitcoin's price just made a move yesterday that could be a little bit concerning, and I think you need to be aware of it. So let's not waste any more time at all, and let's get straight into the video. Now, looking at Bitcoin here, what we can see is that its price is actually sitting around the $61,000 level at the time of recording. Now, it's actually made a decent recovery off of the bottom that it put in. Of course, we did see its price reach all the way down to about $58.3 thousand, so currently up about 4 to 5%, and actually bringing a lot of the rest of the market up with it. But one thing that I did notice is that it did make a move that does have some pretty dire consequences every now and then, and it is against something that I think you need to be aware of. Now, the move that it just made was that the fact that it lost its 618 to 786 Fibonacci box to the downside. So let's just go ahead and remove all these other trend lines, and let's just focus specifically on that box. Now, what you can see here is we drew out this Fibonacci from our swing low of right around 56.6 thousand all the way to our swing high of around 72,000. And of course, that gave us this 618 to 786 box in between 62,000 and 59.5 thousand. And what generally happens is that this box is either going to act like a wall or a door. If it's going to act like a wall, we're going to bounce off of it and continue upwards. And this is the most likely scenario anytime you're approaching a 618 to 786 box. It is the most likely it will reject you in the opposite direction. So generally, this is a fantastic level of support. And what I will say is that there is still a chance that we do hold this level of support and continue upwards, even though we did lose it back here. Okay. But the issue is that, as I mentioned before, it can act like a door. And what that means is that the moment that this door is open, the moment that you surpass the bottom side of this box, you've now opened up the door for a continuation to the downside. And even if you start to pull a little bit upwards, even if you recover that support and start going sideways or maybe even up, you have to constantly be aware of the fact that this 786 level was lost, which again opens the door to the downside. And so where I am right now is that although I am getting a little bit confident, especially considering that we are seeing support hold here, we're seeing the bull stepping in, and there is a possibility that we do start to see some type of reversal back to the upside. Although all of that is on the table, I am just going to remain a little bit cautious of the fact that we did lose the 786 zone, which does put us in position to very, very easily fall now to 56.5 thousand, but sometimes even as low as 52.9 thousand based off of your 1.272 Fibonacci extension. And so because of that, the primary focus of this video was like, listen, there is some positivity. We are seeing the market reverse to the upside, and it easily could hold support and continue upwards. I'm not saying that's off the table, but we need to be careful right now. We need to be aware of the fact that at this given point, this door to the bottom side is now open. And so I wouldn't be going heavy on longs. I wouldn't be 100x, 50x, maybe 2-3x with good stop losses set towards the upside or to the bottom side, being aware of the fact that we easily at any given point can still roll to the downside. So you might still want to stay on your toes right now and not get too overconfident that this market is about to reverse to the upside. And so because of that, guys, look, I will continue the typical strategy that we have right now. I'm dollar cost averaging the lower and lower that Bitcoin goes. We come back to 59.6, I'm buying some more. 57.5, I'm buying some more. 52,000, I'm buying a lot more, right? So I will continue to do my dollar cost averaging. I'm not saying any of that's changing, quite simply just that we might see this thing continue lower and you need to be ready for it because we just opened the door to the downside. And so because of that, guys, I will continue to update you on a regular basis. I try to upload these videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, every day that I can. And if you guys do enjoy these videos, of course, all I need from you is just to like it so more people see it and to subscribe to the channel so you never miss another one. But overall, guys, don't forget, I have a Discord server down in the description below. It is a private Discord server that you can go check out if you like, where you can see my trades, other creators' trades, alpha calls, gym callers, some of the best in the world, live streams, seminars, and much more. So that's all available for you down there if you want to check it out, guys. And I can't wait to see you all very soon in the next one. Peace out, everybody.